Hello Sidra miners, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Crypto Guru. I know a lot of people are panic about this Sidra project, but I'm here to tell you that delay is not denied. Why are you panic for Sidra project? There's a one thing that a lot of you guys are doing that, to be honest, I'm not happy with it, but quietly understand that it's not your fault, especially those that are just new into crypto. One thing about crypto projects is that they are always making sure that they get everything right, because one mistake can definitely can literally ruin your own project. I hope you guys understand. So one mistake can ruin all your project. That is why if you're building, right, if you're building a blockchain, you have to make sure that you get everything 100% right. So right now that you guys are seeing Sidra are coming on and off, the reason why they are coming on and off, not because of anything, is because they are building, testing, swapping, and testing. You understand? Now they have to try transaction. That is why last time you guys saw the leaked price of Sidra, right? What happened is that they were swapping, testing inside the blockchain. All the $100 million that you guys have been seeing people depositing and removing inside the Sidra app, they were just testing, right? It is the test. So don't think that these people just want you to lose your coins, your tokens, or maybe they don't want you to swap. It's not like that. You have to understand the pattern. Any project you build, you have to test it before we enter open mainnet. If you don't test it, the moment you enter the market, scammers will show you that they are smarter than you. I hope you guys understand. They will show you that they are smarter than you. They can take the whole project. They can take the whole project. There's some people that are good in this, and that is why we are always, our projects are always very careful. The Sidra project you guys are seeing, these people are building something extraordinary, and the good thing about this project is that they already have the investors. So the only thing you should do is to position yourself. Now that the price of Sidra is little bit down, just position yourself. Yes, even if you are not buying from me, right, buy from somebody. It doesn't matter where you get the coin from, just buy and store. I remember Pi. If I remember what happened to Pi, I see the cry till today. That is why I'm telling you guys to buy Sidra. I remember what happened with Avive, what happened with Pi, what happened with Ice Network. Though I made a lot of money from Ice Network. I remember what happened with Notcoin. During Notcoin, I gave people this update. There's some people that I gave this update, they made millions. But me, I earn I think it's around 700,000. Yes. So you can see how massive airdrops can give you money. Mining can give you money. So you just have to be smart. You have to be smart. This is a good message to you guys that are mining. You have to. Very important information. Now at the end, I want to introduce a new project to you guys. This year I promise to bring like 5 paying projects. You know, one thing about me is that I don't like posting about projects that are not promising. And before I talk about any project, I make sure I do my analysis properly, because I don't want a situation whereby you introduce something that will make your community members to cry. Now there's a project that is coming up called AEOS, right? This AEOS right here, AEOS is going to give us a lot of profit. This project are building under blockchain. This project are paying daily, right? This project has their own token they want to launch. This project has their own application. They have their own application that they want to introduce. So very soon you are going to be able to download the application on Play Store, and you can be able to be earning daily, right? In order for you to join this project, I will give you guys the full details. And this project is not just for the short time, it's for the long run, right? The coin token on pre-sale is around 0.05, and their listing target is around 0.20. So if you calculate how massive the amount is, you can literally make 400% of your investment. So you have to be prepared in order for you to grab this opportunity. So now, if you are a part of this my YouTube channel, right, if you're part of my YouTube team, what I would advise you now to do is to join my group. I'll be dropping the link in the description below. Join that group. In that group, I'll be giving you guys updates about this project. I'll be giving you guys the full update you need to know about this project. And this project is here to give us a lot of money. A lot of money. For you to know more about this project, just join the group. Join the group. So this is the first project I'm going to introduce to you, and wait for the remaining 4. This is your boy Crypto Guru. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.